I've lost $10,000 in revenue due to unexplained AWS IAM Access Denied errors on. I want you to avoid this pitfall and pass your SAAC03 exam. Debugging AWS IAM Access Denied errors in EC2 requires checking the policy attached to the instance's IAM role. Make sure it includes the necessary permissions for the EC2 service. In my view, the root cause of these issues often lies in incorrect trust relationships between the IAM roles and services like S3 or Lambda. I think it's essential to review your VPC settings as well, especially if you're using a non-default VPC. What I learned from real-world experience is that AWS IAM Access Denied errors can also be caused by temporary credentials issues due to expired or revoked security tokens. Here's what most tutorials don't tell you: even if you have the correct policy attached, an incorrect instance profile can still cause these errors. This might seem obvious, but it's not immediately apparent when you're troubleshooting. To avoid this pitfall, ensure that your instance's IAM role matches its EC2 service name and ARN. Make sure to update any outdated policies or roles that may be causing issues. Try this in your AWS sandbox today by creating a new IAM policy with the correct permissions for your EC2 instances and attaching it to their respective roles.